Okay, so this is the results from last night's burn. I put a lot of material on it, and yeah, it is pretty much what I expected. The stumps don't normally burn on the first go around, so you got to keep them in there for at least two burns, unless I'm able to get them in very early and really keep the fire hot and keep moving things around. But yesterday got a little late, and I said, you know what, let me just not disturb the community too much. So right now, today, I'm going to clear this area here. It doesn't look like much, really isn't. Most of the big trees are gone. I moved them out, and it's just around 20 stumps. And then there's one big one by the camper over there. But yeah, so I'm going to clear that out. That shouldn't take too long. And if the rain keeps up, I'll be able to start this up again and get it to burn. And this should be the second or third to the last burn that I have to do to clear everything. So I'll be moving all that material onto the fire here, and at least ideally half of that pile of stumps over here. So, but for now, I can keep those where they are. Let me get an excavator and go ahead and start to clear this area here. Alright, so I can imagine it's a little hard to see me, but wanted to take a quick video of my burn that I have going on here. So as you can see, this is a massive, you can't really see me, but you know, I stand 6'6", so this is a massive fire that I have going on behind me, and it's smoking me out right now, but it's probably around 30 feet, 40 feet long by at this point like 10, 15 feet tall. Largest and the last of the largest now, so it is burning nicely. It's mostly stumps at this point. I'm almost there. I can actually see a lot better now without these big mounds of logs and everything in the way. So it's a perfect weather now. It's not raining, but there is a mist, so that allows these ambers that are going up in the air and being blown around by the breeze to be extinguished when they hit the ground, not too long after they hit the ground. But yeah, so I like to burn when it's raining, or right after it rained, or right before it's gonna rain, but ideally right after it rains or while it's raining. Trying to loosen up as much of this dirt on the underside of the stumps as possible. I'm going to be cutting these down, so I want to minimize the amount of wear and tear I put on my blade. I'm sacrificing the blade, but I will definitely have to replace it. Beautiful thing. Now we're talking. All right, so this is how everything looks at the end of the day. Very productive week here. And yeah, you can see the pile is down to a manageable level. So it is very muddy here. And I've been moving material around, as you guys saw. Instead of having excavated for another week, I said, you know what, let me just get down to business today and just get it done. So this here that you can see burning is going to pretty much burn itself out tonight. Should be minor remnants of it in the morning. Still have some material on this side. You know, I'm gonna take this tree down, no big deal. I still have some material on that side, as well as a pile of stumps there, and several down trees on this side. Instead of an excavator, you can see how big that thing is compared to my camper. Man, that tool really, that piece of equipment really worked well. So yeah, so I'll be returning that. Yeah, logs like these, those white pine, they're big, so there's no way I can move them with any other equipment besides something like a big excavator like that. So, but yeah, overall productive day. I'm really happy to hit the milestone of removing all the stumps in a pile. That's less than what I started with, you know, at the beginning of the week. So yeah, this is gonna go well. Yeah, I never thought this mound was gonna go down. I never thought that big mound over there of all the trees and everything like that I was able to burn everything. But yeah, everything worked out.